It is day 58, July 29th. Today we're going to be going about 82 miles, starting in Damascus, going to Draper, all in Virginia. Today, going to have a bigger climb to start the day, and then it will be relatively downhill for the rest of the day, just lots of small ups and downs. Going to have some rain in the morning, I think, and then it should dry up in the afternoon a little bit. Which will be a little bit tough in the morning, but we have ridden through lots of rain already, so this will not be a problem for us. And sorry about not getting some videos out for some of the previous days, but back at it now. And should be another great day. Stayed in a hotel last night, our second hotel of the trip. It's nice to get a good night's sleep in an actual bed. We opted to go for that because all the camping options were super expensive and it was gonna rain, so it wasn't gonna cost much more to get a hotel, so we did that. Super nice, even had a kitchen in there, so that was really nice. And now we're riding in the rain. It's gonna rain pretty much all day, I think, so it's gonna be a wet one.